All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay. I was sitting around and I was like, man, I should have my S24 Ultra soon. But man, I wonder if the cases will fit the S23 Ultra. And I'm pretty sure some of you guys have thought about that too. So I've got cases from different brands. Obviously, this is Rinky. It's kind of my hands. And this is Tudia. So I'm going to try these on to see if they actually fit. Because I'm sure you thought about this too. Now I grabbed these style of cases because they're two different styles, and you'll be able to see how they fit with one that actually has a cutout for each camera ring and one that does not. Now again, this is a Rinky case. Remember back in the day, if you've been following Rinky long enough, remember when you couldn't get those out that easy? God, that is super clear. It's beautiful. Anyway, this is a Rinky case right here, and obviously, you know, this is the Onyx. So this is like their most popular case. And again, I just grabbed cases from two different manufacturers to show you, just in case you were wondering. Now, obviously, these cases already have them for the S23 Ultra, but when you do tests like this, you see the new dimensions of the new device without it being here. You can see what changes the OEMs made. You see what I'm saying? So that's something that you should definitely take note of when you're looking at videos like this. This video is just to show you, hey, does it really fit? You know, or you might have a case or something that you want to use. Yeah, you might have a case or something that you want to use and they don't make it anymore or something, but you bought the new version and, you know, yada, yada, yada. So let's try this first case on here. And this one has the cutouts around the camera module. So let's see here. I'm gonna go like this. So far, it looks like it'll fit, but that doesn't mean anything. This case is, all right. So yeah, you can kind of see a shift there. We can kind of see how it's actually fitting. Now, it looks like it fits. It looks like it fits, but there's got to be it's a little bit off. It's a little bit off because you can see right here by the camera module that it's a little bit off. You see how it's more opening down here? Yeah. So that leads me to believe when I put it in this case, you might think it fits perfectly, but look at the bottom, how it's not completely on, making this device bigger in dimensions by a little bit than the other device. You can see how it's not perfectly lined up with the items on the bottom there, and it's kind of not even on the bottom. So that is your answer right there. For a case like this with the individual cutouts, it's not going to work at all. Now here is the 2D Emerge. This is the grip. This case right here is one of their newer cases that has taken off. Like when this case launched, everybody just went freaking crazy. It's a case that's just sweet. So this case right here feels really good and everything. And I'm going to review these cases later for you once my actual device comes in. But let's go in the same way here. And same thing here. You can see that the S23 Ultra appears to be a little bit bigger because look at how it's kind of having trouble getting into this case. And on the back here, you can still see more here. So yeah, quick video, man, but the cases from and you know, I think a lot of manufacturers do this, man, just to get you to buy more stuff. Like seriously, this is the S24 Ultra is the same phone pretty much, but they changed the dimensions just enough so you'd have to buy more accessories. It's a little trick that OEMs have been doing for years. But anyway, man, yeah, you cannot fit the same cases from your S23 Ultra in your S24 Ultra. So I will review these cases officially when the S24 Ultra arrives. Yeah, I told you I ordered one and I'm excited about it. So it's just a matter of waiting it out. Let's wait it out. Yeah, wait it out and we'll get this train rolling. But this is my S23 Ultra. I'm not doing a trade-in, remember, so I'll be able to compare them side by side for you once the time comes. But yeah, the cases cannot fit on the S24 Ultra. And there was somebody out there that was wondering this. They haven't gotten their S24 Ultra yet, and you know, they're trading in their S23 Ultra. They have some of their favorite cases that they might want to maintain. Yep, can't fit. The S23 Ultra is very tight inside the case of the S24 Ultra, meaning they shrink the dimensions of the S24 Ultra by just a hair, which is kind of tacky, but it is what it is. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.